This is Carlos Cousins, and the following literary narrative question here is asking about words in context here, the phrase between lines 43 and 45. There was something in this present misery that repelled him and hardened him, even though it excited his curiosity. Um, so let's go ahead and think about this a little bit. Present misery means that there have been other miseries in the past. They knew each other, they went to the same college, and it looks like they were friends when they were together at Yale. It even says here, never surprised at finding Gordon Sterrett in mild difficulty, which implies, okay, this guy has been in trouble before. This isn't the first time. He is always in some sort of financial trouble. So the guy is sort of does not trust him as much. Um, it says, even though it excited his curiosity. So that means that even though he doesn't like as much what he is doing right now or this part of his character, he is very curious to find out what has been going on with him. So let's go ahead and consider the answer choices. Does it help to support the author's hint that the men's relationship is based on dislike? Well, we're not saying that um, the purpose of this is necessarily only to tell you that the men's relationship is based on dislike. It's probably more importantly to tell you that it isn't the first time Gordon is in trouble, and that the reason that Dean doesn't want to help him necessarily is not because he doesn't want to help a friend one time. But does it help to support the author's hint that the men's relationship is based on dislike? Well, yes, that would be evidence to prove that the men's relationship is based on dislike. Uh, we do see it obviously much more clearly at the end, where they both say, "Okay, we thoroughly hate each other now," and we just realize, right? But if Dean here doesn't actually like this part of his character, he has his vacation ruined here, but he's still excited and curious about what's going on, and that's why he's pretending to show care. That gives you proof here that at least one of them is friends with the other because of something that mainly stems from dislike, curiosity about what's going on. So this looks like a good answer choice. Let's see if we find something better. Dean unselfishly wishes to help Gordon. Oh, this is not an unselfish wish. Remember, shortly after this paragraph, we have basically Dean not wanting to give Gordon any money, saying, "Oh, well, I'll think about it. Maybe I'll give it to you," and then giving him the money after the guy insists. Um, so that doesn't make a lot of sense. Both men share memories of the war in France. It doesn't look like it. It looks like they haven't really seen each other much since Yale. Um, this guy's here from potentially the West Coast, some other place already. He just came to the East Coast for the first time in a while, it seems, on vacation. So we can go ahead and get rid of this one as well. The exchange will lead to a positive conclusion. Well, we can tell it won't. We can tell that Dean here is like, oh, I'm unfairly saddled with responsibility. I don't like what's going on. I don't deserve to have to give this guy money. And it's happened before. So it doesn't sound like Dean is in any position to really want to give Gordon any money. So we can get rid of that one as well. No positive conclusion here. And that makes A the best answer choice. I hope that helped with this problem, and happy prepping.